They traveled from near and far to take part in Italy's Woodstock. They came, they said, because they wanted to feel the rhythm and sounds, sing and dance until the early hours, and because for them, folk music is a passion. The Night of the Taranta is the most popular folk music event in Europe. The open-air extravaganza is held at the end of August in front of a 16th century church and Augustinian convent. This year, 150,000 people came together in the small southern town of Melpignano in the boot of Italy. The Taranta is a hypnotic dance, first created by women working in the tobacco fields of Apulia. The bite of a local spider called tarantula was believed to be highly poisonous and lead to a hysterical condition. To prevent death from the delirium it caused, tradition has it that frenzied dancing to very rhythmic and fast music was needed. This year's concert was dedicated to the late Colombian author Gabriel Garcia Marquez. An enthusiastic crowd welcomed leading Italian musicians, joined by foreign guest artists. Sabina Castelfranco, CBS News, Melpignano.